Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my coasters. And just remember that every video that I do, all the things that I use, I put the description on the description box. And at the end of the video, we're going to be talking about prices, how much you invest, how much you can sell it for, and how much is your profit. These coasters are very nice to give out as party favors, like for baptisms and quinceañeras and even weddings. Okay, you can do a lot of things with them. They're not too expensive and you can work with your client. Or if it's for personal use, these are really cute party favors. So what you're going to need for this video, you're going to need the coaster. I'm going to be doing 2 of them. And I'm going to show you on the screen what I did and why I did it. You're going to need heat tape. You're going to need 2 pieces of butcher paper. One is going to go in the bottom. The coasters are going to go here. Like this here. And then this is going to go on the top in the image. Okay. Your image need to be mirror image. And you're also going to need the 3.5 by 9.125. This is for the 11 ounce coffee mug. And the reason why I'm doing 2 of them is because one image is going to take less than half of the paper, and then I'm going to have all this paper wasted. Okay, so let me just show you. This is the one I did, and I'm going to be able to do 2 coasters with it. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that with something bigger. If you want to do a whole bunch of them, you can use it in 8.5 by 11 and just do the calculations. Okay, so let me go ahead and sit in front of my computer so we can go ahead and start working on it. I am using the Sagras 400, and so here's my screen. When they came out with the Sagras 800 and the 1000, they redid completely the program. So this is the updated program for the new and the old machines. Now, what I really like about this is that it's giving you a specific size. Is 3.5 by 3.5. And it's also telling you the temperature, so you don't have to worry about that. It's telling you that it's 400 degrees or 204 Celsius. The time is between 30 and 45 seconds, and the pressure is medium. So that right there, you already have that information. So what I did, instead of using the coaster, I know that my image cannot be bigger than 3.5 by 3.5. So I'm going to go ahead and went to my drinkware, and I picked an 11 ounce mug. So then I put one image here and one image here, and I already printed is right here. So you're doing 2 with 1 page. Okay, so let me transfer over to my heat press, and we'll continue with the rest of it. Try to make sure that if you touched your coaster on top of it, you need to clean it. Otherwise, it's going to have your print, and it's not going to transfer the color the way it's supposed to be. So here I am. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. And I'm going to go ahead and tape it to the coaster, just looking at the image. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put one of the butcher papers. But there you have it ready. So you bring it in and you go down. There it is. So I did 45 seconds on it at 400. Okay, so it's done and it's going to open by itself. There it is. So we're just going to go ahead and pull it out and see what happens. Going to go ahead and lift the tape. There's one. There's another one. Wow. Wow. I'm very, very happy with the results. It's hard to grab them because they're hot, but look at that. Look at how beautiful that came out. Okay. That came out like that, like a little faded because the image was a grayish, like a light gray. So it's part of the color. So here's the other one. This image, I got it from a lady on Etsy, and she's very reasonable. I'm going to put the link of her page on Etsy so you can go check her out. That's all for me, you guys. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. I would really appreciate it. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day. Stay happy and healthy. Until next time, thank you.